Yo, what's up, guys? Well, welcome to Bilerishi FS Academy. Okay, my name is Bilerishi FS, and in today's video, guys, I'm gonna be teaching you guys my TDI Forex strategy. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be teaching you guys my TDI Forex strategy. I'm gonna be showing you guys my TDI Forex setup and everything you need to know about TDI indicator. Okay, the TDI indicator contains three four indicators. Okay, the RSI, the Bollinger Bands, okay, and the moving averages. Before I show you guys how we use the TDI indicator and my TDI forest, let me first show you guys how to set up TDI indicator on your MT4. Okay, so guys, on your MT4 you click on this F icon. Okay, here are the indicators you need to add. So the first indicator you need to add is the relative strength index. Okay, the period should be 13, apply to close, the level should be 30 and 70, the style should be green. Okay, so then you will click on indicator window 1, so you will add moving average. The moving average, the period should be 7, shift 0, the method should be simple. You should be applied to previous indicators data. Okay, here is one area which I want you guys to concentrate on when setting up the TDI indicator on your MT4. Okay, so you should apply it to previous indicators data. The moving average, make sure to apply it to previous indicators data. Okay, so then the level, there should be no level. The style, the color should be red. Okay, so you should do it the way I do mine. So then you will add the Bollinger Band. When adding the Bollinger Band, you should click on indicator window 1. Okay, don't click on main chart. We aren't adding it to our main chart, we are adding it to indicator window 1. So you click on indicator window 1 and then you search for Bollinger Bands and add it. The period should be 34, the shift should be 0, the deviation should be 2.000. It should be applied to first indicators data. Okay, note it. Okay, it should be applied to first indicators data. So the level, no level, the style should be blue. Okay, so and then the last one, the second moving average which I'm going to add is the 50 moving average. Okay, the period should be 50, shift should be 0, method should be linear weighted. It should be applied to first indicators data. Okay, note, and the style should be yellow, the color should be yellow. So after adding the relative strength index, you click on indicator window 1, you add the 3 indicators here, and these 3 indicators should be applied to first indicators data, which is the relative strength index. So you apply it to first indicators data. So after adding it, so you click done. So on your chart, okay, on your chart, so guys, after adding the indicators, here is how it's going to look on your chart. Okay, here is how it's going to look on your chart. So here is how the TDI indicator looks. Okay, so guys, there are two ways which I use the TDI indicator. Okay, and which most traders they use the TDI indicator. The first way is the crossover buy and sell at the top and the middle band around the 30 and the 70 level. Okay, that's one way you can use the TDI indicator. And the second way is using it for price action confirmation. Okay, the first one is crossover buy and sell at the top and lower band, and the second one is for price action confirmation. I use it for both, but the one which I majorly use is for price action confirmation. Okay, that works best for me, but I'm going to explain the both of them for you guys. Okay, you are going to test the both of them out, and then you choose the one that works best for you, and then you work with it. And if you choose to trade with the both ways, and it is also good. Okay, so the one which I use mostly is for price action confirmation, and I will first show you that one. Okay, and then I will show you guys how to trade with it using the buy and sell at top and lower bands confirmation around the 30 and the 70 level. Okay, so but for the first one, I'm going to show you guys how to trade the TDI with price action confirmation. Okay, combining price action and the TDI Forex indicator. So guys, here is how we do it. First of all, here is how you so guys, first of all, I always analyze my chart from the 4 hours time frame, okay, before entering my trade on the M15 and on the 5 minutes time frame. So guys, first of all, I first go to hour 4. So whenever I go to hour 4 time frame, and then I see this red and green moving averages above this middle band, it it is showing me that the market is an uptrend, okay, and when it is below, it is showing me that the market is a downtrend, okay. So let's say from here now the market is an uptrend, okay. So if I go to the 15 time frame, I will be looking for buy opportunities around here, okay. So from here now I'll be looking for sales to here, okay, but after this crossover I'm not looking for sales again. So then when it goes above the Bollinger Bands, here I'll start looking for buy. So okay, so guys, we can see that from here it's been above the middle Bollinger Bands, okay, and here, so I came, it is above the middle Bollinger Band, so this, which means that the market is an uptrend, okay. So and anything we need to look for on the TDI indicator on the lower time frame, like the M15 and the M5, we have to be searching for buys on the M15 and M5, okay. So I went down to M5 here, okay. So guys, we see that here the market was descending downward, okay. So it was descending downward, it was descending, okay. So and as it was descending downward, we can see the TDI is below the middle band, okay. You see how it is ranging below the middle band. So this is showing us that, yeah, the market is is on a downtrend, okay. So from here the market has been on a downtrend. So I drew my trend line, okay. After drawing my trend line, I waited for the market to break the trend line upward and then goes above the middle bands here, okay. So you see here it went above the middle band the first time, okay, but the market was the trend line wasn't broken yet, okay. So the second time it went above, the second time here you see the green moving average, okay. You see how the green moving average is moving above the middle band, okay. So that time it broke the market broke the trend line, okay. That was when the market broke the trend line. So let's go to the M5 time frame and I'll show you guys clearly, okay. So it broke the trend line on the 5 minutes time frame here, okay. So it retested it retested, okay. So after breaking the trend line on the 5 minute time frame, and then even on the 5 minutes time frame here, we see the TDI indicator moving above the middle band, okay. So and after the testing it, and the TDI indicator, the green and the red, is moving above the middle band, so I decided to enter around here, okay. So we see how it is moving above, and on the M15 time frame also it broke it, and also moving above the middle band, okay. The green and the red moving above the middle band, and then the trend line was broken, so I decided to enter, okay. So I decided to enter the trade, okay. So my stop loss, I'm planning on closing the trades, all the trades, the if the market still moves below this moving average, okay. So if it still moves below this moving average, I'll close all the trades, okay. But after entering the trade, the market started going up, okay. There was no drawdown, okay. The market started going up, so I closed some of my position at this resistance level here, okay. So I closed some of my position at this resistance level here, and then I set my break even. So after setting my break even, the market kept going on up, so it kept going up, and currently my break even is at this resistance, at this previous resistance now, okay. So and I'm going to still adjust my break even to somewhere here, okay. So I'll adjust it to somewhere here, and then I'll keep holding it. We call that trailing of stop loss. Okay, so I'll keep trailing it, and then I'll cash big money from this market. Okay, so guys, that is how we use the TDI for price action confirmation. Okay, so let me show you guys the second way we should use the TDI Forex indicator. So the second way we should use the TDI Forex indicator is for crossover buy and sell at the lower and the middle band at 30 and 70 level. So guys, for the crossover buy and sell, whenever we see the market goes below the middle band, okay, whenever we see the market goes below the middle band, so we wait for it. When coming inside, we wait for a crossover of the red and the green moving average, and then we take our buys. Okay, so here is an example for buy. Okay, we see the market hit the middle band and went outside, so we wait for it to start going back and then see a crossover, just the way it happened here. Okay, after seeing the crossover, so we enter our buys. Okay, so if we see it going below, okay, or going below this recent lowest low here, so we are closing all our trades. So if we see it going below this recent low here, we are closing all our trades. Our take profit, we can use the nearest resistance as our take profit here. Okay, so we can use this or this as our take profit. So, and our stop loss should be below this lowest low. So, and we see that boom, the market hit take profit. Okay, so let me show you guys another example. So guys, here's another example here. Okay, so here are two examples here. So we see the market we see the green moving average went outside the Bollinger Band. So when coming inside, we look for this crossover that occurred here, so we enter our sell here. Okay, we can use here as our take profit. Okay, and here we use some few pips above this resistance level. Okay, so we can use few pips above this resistance level as our stop loss, and then here as our take profit. Okay, so here's another example. We see as this green moving average went outside this Bollinger Band. Okay, and here is above the 70 level, so which makes this setup more perfect. Okay, so when it goes outside the Bollinger Band and then come inside, whenever it comes inside and we see a crossover occur here, so we enter our sell trade here. Okay, we enter our sell trade, place our stop loss above this highest high. Okay, and take profit at the next support level. And also here is another two examples here. Okay, so here is the last example which I'm going to show you guys. So we see the moving average went outside the lower Bollinger Band, and then it came inside, gave a crossover here, a crossover occurred, so you enter all your trades here, place your stop loss at this lowest low here, and then take profit at the next resistance level. Okay, so take profit at the next resistance level. So, and then another example you see also, we see as the moving average went below the middle Bollinger Band, so coming inside here, seeing this crossover, boom, we enter our trade here, place our stop loss below. Okay, and then take profit. We can use the nearest resistance level if it is too near, so we extend it to get at least minimum 1:2, 1:4. Okay, from this trade. Okay, so guys, that's the two ways which we use the TDI indicator, and also I showed you guys my TDI Forex setup. Okay, so guys, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to smash like button so as to promote this video for others to see. Okay, and also if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because what we do here will make trading more easier for you guys. Okay, so we teach you guys best forex strategies. Okay, and all you need to know about forex trading. Okay, so thanks.